Hi, I'm Jan, and I'd like to give you a tour of my balcony garden. So I'm located on the 10th floor, and as you can see, my balcony gets quite a lot of sunlight. I'm also a 10-minute walk to the waterfront, and being so close to the water is what inspired me to get these plants. Over here we have a Canada milk vetch, and it is a host for the western-tailed blue butterfly. Over here I have a common Hoptree, and it is a host plant for several swallowtail butterflies. Over here I have the Dwarf Hackberry, and it's endangered to southern Ontario. And over here I have a prickly pear cactus that's found on the beaches of Lake Erie. Over here is a Great Lakes sand cherry, and you can see that the leaves are already starting to change color. Over here I have another prickly pear cactus. What's great about these is that they have yellow flowers that bloom in July. And over here is another dwarf hackberry. And over here is a little bluestem grass. And it starts off quite short in the spring, but by the end of the summer, they grow these really long stalks, and you can see the seeds up close. Over here is sweetgrass, and it's usually found on the riverbeds, and it's quite a significant plant for First Nations people. And lastly, over here is the American Marram grass, and that's usually found in sand dunes and beaches. And you can see the seeds are already here.